A powerful cinematic environment often begins with controlling the lighting direction of the entire scene. Today, how to create photo bash sunset landscapes. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a canvas around 3500 by 2000 pixels. Fill the background with a gradient that fades from warm orange near the horizon to soft purple higher in the sky. Import a landscape such as mountains, fields, or ocean cliffs and place it across the lower part of the canvas. Now create a new layer set to Overlay and gently paint warm orange highlights on surfaces facing the horizon using a soft brush.